Hello friends, so our today's topic is introduce yourself for an interview round. Whenever a person asks you to introduce yourself, first of all thank him. You can say like this. First of all, thank you for providing me an opportunity to introduce myself. Second comes the greeting. If it is morning, you can say like this. Good morning sir, good morning ma'am. Then start by telling your full name. You can say like this. My name is ABC. Then next tell your residence. You can say like this. I am a native of Delhi. Now tell your highest education or highest qualification. I will tell you one example. You can say like this. I have completed my M.Tech from ABC University with XYZ percentage in ABC field. Now tell something about family background. You can say like this. Including me, I have a family of 5 members. My mother, father, brother, sister and myself. My father is working in XYZ office. My mother is a housewife. My brother and sister are taking their education. Now tell about your career goals. Career goals must include a short-term goal and a long-term goal. You can say like this. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company like yours, and my long-term goal is to be in a respectable position in that organization. Now tell something other than your curriculum activities. You can mention the activities in which you have participated or any events in which you have participated. You can mention that here, or anything else which you want to mention. You can mention this in this part. You can say like this. I have participated in various events pertaining to art and culture in my college. We, a group of 3 members, have arranged an event in the Technical Fest which holds every year in our college. Now tell about your hobbies. You can say like this. Talking about my hobbies, I have interest in gardening. I am a nature lover. I like to spend time in nature and greenery. As they teach us many lessons of life, I love to spend time with them. And secondly, my area of interest is in music. I like to listen songs. Now tell about your strength. You can say like this. To express my strengths, I would like to mention that I am a dedicated, clear with thoughts, prudent, honest, self-motivated, hardworking girl with a positive attitude towards my life and my career. I am disciplined, patient. I am a social person. I have a lot of friends and I love to make friends. It makes me happy. After talking about the strength, you can mention your weaknesses. You can say like this. To express my weakness, I would like to mention that sometimes I become a bit emotional whenever I look at any poor person. And secondly, I can't say no to people when anyone asks for help. So friends, that's all about the introduction part. Thanks for watching and do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.